Hello everybody, how are you? Hello everybody, how are you? It is time to start our day. It is time to work and play. Hello everybody, how are you? Hi everyone, welcome back to our last Monday morning circle time in the month of February. We're going to finish off all the things on this board today, and next Monday when we do circle time again, we'll have a whole bunch of new things. You'll have to come back and see what our new shape is, our new color, our new numbers, our new month, our new letter, all of those things. But for today, we are going to finish off talking about the things that are on here. So let's take a really good look at them and see what we have. Let me grab one of my pointers here. I got my green one. Let's see what we have up here. Can you remind me, can you guys tell me what numbers we talked about in the month of February? What number is this one that has the 1 and the 3 standing right next to each other? Shout it out really loud so I can hear you. It's the number 13, and that's the word 13 right below it. How about that other number? What's that one with the 1 and the 4 standing by each other? Shout it out even louder. It's the number 14. There's a 1 and a 4 standing side by side, and that says 14, and there's the word 14 underneath it. Our numbers are getting really big. Can you guess, if we did 13 and 14 this month, what numbers will we move on to next month? Come back and see. I hope you guessed correctly. We'll find out next week. Okay. Still have pink. That hasn't changed. There's the word pink. There's the color pink, and pink, and pink, and pink, and pink, and pink. Pink was kind of everywhere this month, wasn't it? Because in the month of February, we celebrated a holiday called Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day is about hearts and love. So we always think of pinks and reds and even purples when we think of Valentine's Day. So we had a lot of pink this month. Speaking of Valentine's Day, speaking of hearts, our shape was the heart. It starts at a point, goes up and around, comes down to a point, up, back, and around. And there was our heart. And there is the word heart. What word was this going across the middle here? Do you remember? That's the name of our month. I've said it a couple of times. Can you tell me what it is? February. Let's clap that one out one more time. February. February is 4 claps because that word has 4 parts or 4 syllables. February. We're still in the season of winter, but we're getting through it. We're getting there. And today we are on the day that is called Monday. If today is Monday, that means that yesterday was Sunday. It was still part of the weekend. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. You ready? Get your hands ready to clap. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, so we said today is Monday. We said the month is February. Does anybody know what this number right here says? 2 2s standing right next to each other. They say 22. Today is number 22 during the month of February. We say it's February 22nd is how we say that. So let's see. Today is Monday, February 22nd, and the year is still 2021. So the only thing that changed up here this week is our letter. Last week we saw snake for the letter S. Today we got a turtle, a slow moving turtle for the letter T. Look at all those straight lines in the letter T. S was very curvy, T is very straight. It's got a tall line coming down to make the uppercase, a line going across the top, a shorter line coming down with a line going across the middle there to make the lowercase t. Let's see how you would make it in sign language. You ready? You're going to take your whole hand, put it up there. You're going to close your whole hand, kind of like you're making a fist, and then you're going to take that thumb and you're going to just duck it right under there, and you've got the letter T. So that's our letter T in sign language. So listen to the word turtle again. Turtle. Talk. Teeth. The sound that the letter T makes, can you tell me, is t, t, t. Try that with me. T, t, t. That's the sound that the letter T makes. I want to say a lot of letter T's. I want to see if you guys can say something really funny with me before we try writing it. Let me pull this over here. Maybe some of you guys have tried this before. These are called tongue twisters. They are phrases that are hard to say because they start with the same letter for the most part. Tongue twisters, tongue. What letter does tongue start with? Here's the word. It starts with the letter T. How about twisters? Another T. This first tongue twister that I have right here, it's a T and a T and a T and a T and a T. We have 5 words all start with the letter T. I'll say it first, nice and slow, and then you say it along with me, and we'll see if we can say it. It's hard to say. Are you ready? 12 twins twirled 12 twigs. Want to try that with me? Real slow. We'll try it. Ready? 12 twins twirled 12 twigs. We'll do it one more time slowly. 12 twins twirled 12 twigs. All right, that's not so hard yet, is it? It gets more challenging the faster you try to say it. So we're going to go just a little bit faster. Not a lot, just a little. You ready? 12 twins twirled 12 twigs. 12 twins twirled 12 twigs. Ready to go faster? 12 twins twirled 12 twigs. 12 twins twirled 12 twigs. Can you do it faster? 12 twins twirled 12 twigs. I messed up. 12 twins twirled 12 twigs. It gets harder and harder. That's called the tongue twister. I have another one down here. This one is called, look, there's a T, and a T to start. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. Okay, should be easy, right? We're just saying toy boat 3 times. Let's do it slowly together. You ready? I'll put my fingers up for each time we say it. Remember, we're saying toy boat 3 times. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. We got this one, right? We got this one. Let's try it again. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. Are you ready to go a little bit faster? Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. Let's go really fast. Ready? Toy boat, toy boat, toy. I couldn't even get through 2 times. How are you guys doing? They are challenging. So something you guys can do today is go on the internet with your grown-up and look up some more tongue twisters and try to say some more tongue twisters today. It's even hard to say tongue twisters a lot of times in a row. So we have 12 twins twirled 12 twigs. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. Those are the 2 that I'm going to leave you with to keep trying. And like I said, go look up some more and see what other ones you can find. There's a lot of them out there. That is a fun T activity to do today. We got to get back to writing our T's though. You ready? Let me flip myself around here. I'm going to do it on a different board than I normally do today, and I'll show you why in a minute. Let me put my letters up here. There's my T. Okay, the letter T. When we talked is another T word. When we talked about it, when I was showing you this, I said it's a tall line down for the uppercase and then a little line across the top. And then a shorter line down and a line kind of in the middle going across for the lowercase. Let's take a try at writing this. So if you need to pause and go get your supplies, go do that. If you don't have your supplies, you're not going to grab them, put that finger up in the air and trace with me. You ready? First thing I'm going to do is trace my uppercase T. So I put my pencil where, my marker where? Do I start at the bottom? No. Do I start in the middle? No. Do I start at the top? Top. I got to start at the top. Top is a T word. I start at the top, and I'm going to make my straight line down. That's it. Then I'm going to go back to the top, and I'm going to go across and finish it off with a little hat on the top like that. That's an uppercase T. Lowercase t, it's a little bit of a shorter line, a straight line down. Now instead of going across the top, I come down a little bit and I go across right there. Anybody know what shape that is, the lowercase t? That's the shape of a cross, isn't it? That looks like a cross. On our top line, top again, I'm going to make my uppercase t's. So I start at the top line and I make a straight line down to the bottom line. And I'm going to stop there, go back up to the top, and put my line across. Now that line can be kind of hard to see because I'm using a black marker on a black line. Let's do another one. Straight line down, back up, and go across. Okay, the second row is for our lowercase letters. We're going to do our lowercase t's. Lowercase t, you don't have to start at the top line. You can start just underneath it and you can come straight down to the bottom. Then where that dotted line is, that's where I'm going to go back and do a little guy across. And there's my lowercase t. Let's do another one of those. I'm going to start just underneath there, straight down to the bottom line, back to the dotted line, and go across. How are you guys doing writing your letters? Are you practicing? I hope so. We're getting really close to the end of the alphabet. And when we get to the end of the alphabet, I'm going to pull my ABC book, my alphabet journal back out, and we can go through them together and see. And we can practice writing some randomly too. Now, the reason I chose to do it on this board is because instead of cutting something out of a magazine or a newspaper or finding it on the internet, today I brought something along with me that's a little bit different. Later this week, we are going to be talking about magnets. So I brought some magnetic T's. There's my uppercase T. This is a magnet board, and this letter is magnetic, so it sticks. And here is my lowercase t. So I stuck those right on there. Then I also had a magnet of something that begins with a T. It's kind of a theme today. We have one here, and I have one there, a turtle. So instead of cutting something out again today, I used some magnets to put my uppercase, lowercase t, and my T word on there. Now, like I said, it's kind of a theme. Turtle, turtle. Look what I have here. Turtles. Let's take a peek at this book. Oh, push that out of the way a little bit. Get that out of there. This book is called, oh, not another tongue twister, 10 Tiny Turtles. Should we try saying that one again? 10 tiny turtles, 10 tiny turtles. Say it really fast. 10 tiny turtles, 10 tiny turtles, 10 tiny turtles. It's a little bit easier than our other ones, but still kind of a challenge. 10 tiny turtles. Let's see if we can find them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tiny turtles. One tiny turtle wonders what to do. I wonder how he feels. How do you think he feels? He's all by himself. Maybe he feels a little lonely. One tiny turtle joins him. And now there are, you tell me how many? 2. There was 1, another one came along, and now there are 2. 2 tiny turtles play chase around a tree. 1 tiny turtle joins them, and then now there are 3. If you can't tell, I've been joined by a little friend here too. Suni wants to hear the story. 3 tiny turtles play jump rope on the shore. 1 tiny turtle joins them, and now there are 4. 4 tiny turtles run and jump and dive. 1 tiny turtle joins them, and now there are 5. We had 4, we added 1, now there are 5. 5 tiny turtles practice ninja kicks. 1 tiny turtle joins them, and now there are 6. 6 tiny turtles study their lesson. 1 tiny turtle joins them, and now there are 7. 7 tiny turtles spin round and skate. 1 tiny turtle joins them, and now there are 8. You guys are really good at this. 8 tiny turtles get ready to dine. You hear the rhyming. What do you think it's going to be? 1 tiny turtle joins them, and now there are 9. 9 tiny turtles make a tower, and then look at their tower. 1 tiny turtle joins them, boing, and now there are 10. And this guy says, can we do it all again? I think he had fun with that, didn't he? The tower is tumbling. Tumbling, tower are T words. Okay, I have one more thing to do before I send you off to have a terrific day today. I have a bag of shapes here. And like I said, we are on our last day, our last circle time with the heart shape. So I wanted to see, let me grab this again. I wanted to see if I could find my heart so we could sing our heart song one more time. Let me pull this over, and I'm going to ask you guys to tell me when I find the heart. You ready? Let's see. You tell me what shape I pull out. Here's my shape bag. What shape is this? Is this a heart? I have not found my heart yet. What is this? This is a star. Star, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, let's see who's next. Not a heart. What is this one? A rectangle. 2 long sides, 2 short sides. You go right there. All right, who's next? I have boy, there's a lot of shapes in here, but this one is still not a heart. This is a square. 4 sides. Hey, look at that. 4 sides, 4 corners. But what makes it different from the rectangle? All the sides are the same. That one has too long and too short. Let's see, is this my heart? This guy has 3 sides, 3 corners. He's a triangle. How about this one? Oh, no corners, no sides. He is a circle. I'm getting down to the bottom here. Let's see. No corners, no sides again, but different from the circle, a little longer. This is called an oval. It's got to be in here. I hope I didn't forget to put it in here today. Let's see. Another one with 4 corners and 4 sides. What's this one called? This is a diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shapes. 8 shapes and no heart yet. Let's see. Let's hope I have one more in here. I found my heart. This is a heart. This is a heart. How can you tell? How can you tell? It's rounded on the top and pointed on the bottom. It's a heart. It's a heart. All right, heart, I think I have a spot for you. Let's pull this over a little bit more so the boys and girls can see you. There's a spot for my heart right there. Okay, today, here are some T things you can do. First of all, you can go practice writing your T. You can build a tall tower. Those are T words out of blocks, Legos, something else that you might have. Maybe you can make a turtle today. You can use how about an egg carton for its shell? What else can you come up with? Okay, make a turtle, tall tower. You can talk. That's a T word. You can do tongue twisters, another T word, and you can practice writing your T's. You can also do something with hearts. What can you do with hearts today? Find some hearts, make some hearts, draw some hearts, cut some hearts. Just go out and, like I said, have a terrific day today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.